happens when two social media PR professionals have a customer service debate on Facebook? Magic happens, that's what. Layla Jane Daly posted to Sainsbury's grocery store. It is with a sad heart that I write to inform you that your lettuce made me fat. The reason? Well, she found a worm in her salad and was forced to eat a burger instead. She claims that burger made her gain 12 stone, so naturally it was all the fault of the worm salad. Ross from Sainsbury's responded feeling sad for the worm, but also amazed at the burger. A 12-stone weight gain from a burger? That's quite the achievement. Not at all your standard burger. It sounds amazing. Ultimately, Daly decides to name the worm Jackie Chan, and he becomes a household pet who loves to watch Netflix. Now that Jackie and Layla are a family, Sainsbury's needed to make it right with both of them, and so sent a Netflix gift card to Jackie and a Sainsbury's gift card to Layla. I'm thinking the inconvenience of a worm in the salad was totally worth this exchange. I'm Carrie Lum for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.